fucking game, man. Scatpack issues.
So, this Hellraiser_6.4. If you're new, make sure you hit the subscribe button. I want to tell y'all why I got pulled over. I got pulled over for doing 70 on the 45. You know, it wasn't all the way completely my fault, but I'm gonna take responsibility for it because I am the driver of this vehicle right here. So I was heading to work in this pickup truck, right? He was on the left lane, I was on the right lane, and the lane that I was in merged into one lane, right? And you know, we doing about, the speed limit 45, 50. This dude was coming over on me, right? So I'm like, hell no. So I punch it in front of him or whatever. Bam! I got police lights on me. I'm like, what the fuck, bro? What the fuck? I know the police has seen this dude. So he pulled me over or whatever. He was like, you know what speed I clocked you at? I'm like, what, about 55? No, 70. I'm like, oh man, what the fuck? Are you kidding me? He said, yeah, I clocked you at 70. He said, obviously I already turned the vehicle off, had the hazard lights on. And I got my insurance, proof of insurance and shit out. My driver's license, my registration. And bruh, tell me he said my tags was expired. They expired February 28, 2021. So he got me for that too. That's what he gave me. He gave me a warning though because I told him I was like, officer, I got a clean driving record. I have never received a ticket. I have never had a DUI. I have never had any traffic violations. He gave me this right here. That's what he gave me. Got my personal information in there. Y'all can't really see it anyway. He gave me a citation. It says Montgomery County Sheriff's Office warning information citation. And I'm gonna read at the bottom. It said no penalty will be assessed, and this will not go on your official driving record. However, the Montgomery County Sheriff's Office will remain a copy and will be considered for future driving infraction. So basically, they got me on the radar. If I get pulled over again in Montgomery County, they're gonna give me a ticket. Hey, you already got a warning for this, so this time we're gonna give you a ticket. So unfortunately, my 0 to 60, it's gonna have to wait. It's gonna have to wait. So with my 305, 275s, obviously I'm gonna get a better time on these tires. Because as you guys can see, this car has 235s. Obviously Dodge put smaller tires on lower end cars for a reason because they don't have that much power to need more traction, etc. So bigger tires are not needed. It's common sense. But yo, that's why I got pulled over, man. I gotta chill out. You know, when I was doing my 0 to 60s, they ain't have no police over there, man. But I'm not in the rural area. I'm in the urban area. Well, urban sales rural. But man, look at Prince. Man, Prince clean as clean. You can't tell me that Hellraiser don't hit, man. It ain't too many 392s that look like mine. You know what I'm saying? I'm just saying. Yeah, they got people with red eye reps, but not many people like these wheels on Slim Scats. They usually go for the Hellcat wheels, which ain't nothing wrong with. I just want to do something different. My goal was to get chrome. I wanted chrome, but those wheels was too high. I wasn't finna pay no $400 for no rim. And all told, I paid $960 for all four wheels. $930 actually. And for the chromes total, it would have been like $1,700 or something like that. So yeah, man, this car here, it's no slouch. You know what I'm saying? Got the big and meaties on. And I got my splash guards coming too by JLT. I'm gonna have an install video. The JLT splash guards go here. You guys see right behind here? Let me see. You guys see right here? This where the JLT splash guards go behind the tire. So all the rocks and stuff and all the mud, it won't really splash on the back of the fender. It'll flat on the splash guard. So even if you don't have big tires, it's something to consider. Or the debris won't really hit the lower fender area of your car. It'll just hit the splash guard. So I got some GLT splash guards I'm gonna install for y'all. Easy install, easy peasy. Looked at it on YouTube. You just pop them in right here. and they kind of stick out, and they kind of look flush, and all the debris from the tires, the rubber, the rocks, the road debris, hit it instead of getting on the car. So that's why I'm not gonna really be going fast until I get my splash guard, so I won't damage my beautiful, beautiful Hellraiser. But yo, man, y'all slow it down, bro. Slow it down. If you don't got a radar detector, slow it down. He could have caught me doing 100, and he could have gave me a ticket. He could have gave me a ticket. I would have had to go to court for that, cause he knocked it down to 60 on 45 for me. He knocked it down to 60 on 45. So he was a cool police officer, man. Be respectful if you get pulled over. If you speeding, you automatically in the wrong. So don't even start arguing. That's some of y'all problem. Y'all be in the wrong and be arguing like y'all ain't do nothing. Take responsibility. Be a man or a woman, you know what I'm saying? You driving this car, it come with consequences. I got pulled over twice since I had this scatpack. Damn, them bigger tires really better, man. Look at that training wheels. I don't know how some people think that smaller wheels are better for bigger cars. These cars are big, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, appreciate y'all for watching. I'm gonna get that video in soon. The 0 to 60 gonna come soon. Just wait on it, but continue to support. It's gonna come. Understand my situation, you know what I'm saying? So I'm not trying to get another fucking ticket. I'm not trying to pay no $300 fucking insurance. So my insurance is $200, and I don't want to change that. So understand my situation. You guys got a 0 to 60 with the stock tires. Best believe with the 305, 275 is coming. Thank y'all for watching. I'll catch y'all in the next one. Man, you know before I leave, you know I gotta get y'all a code right quick. Cause I gotta go to the DMV for my wife. She better get her license.